Hi, all my GLP-1 warriors. How are you today? I wanted to give you a quick update on my short about resetting your dose, kind of like a restart. Have you hit a plateau? Are you at a higher dose and you don't really want to titrate up? How about titrating down? That's what I did, and it seemed to help. Now, I did this after consulting my healthcare provider, which I'm not a doctor. I will always punt you back to your healthcare care provider. So talk to them first. So basically, I was on 10 milligrams of the tirzepatide. I did try 12.5, but it kind of upset my stomach and didn't really like it. It just kind of made me feel a little weird, so I was only on it for a week. So basically, I was at 10 milligrams. I was at a stall, been at a stall. Now keep in mind, I'm towards the end of my journey and almost ready for maintenance. But after consulting with my telehealth care provider, they said, okay, let's titrate down, and if you have to go back up, you could go back up. So first I went down to 7.5 for 2 weeks and seemed to do okay. I was a little bit hungry, but I tried to concentrate on drinking extra water and having extra proteins and maybe doing a little more exercise and moving around a little bit. Now for the added protein, I like to use vital proteins, which is collagen and protein, and I put some of that in my coffee and in my protein shake, and sometimes in my protein shake I usually use coconut almond milk, but I used Fairlife because it had a little bit more protein and a little more calories, but it's you be you. I'll do me. You have to sometimes decide, do I want the extra protein, calories? It kind of alters what I eat during the day. And there I go off on a protein binge and get off topic. So then after 2 weeks of that, I went down to 5. Now, keep in mind, according to Eli Lilly, a half dose of the tirzepatide is 5 days, meaning that it's only half as effective 5 days later, and that it stays in your body for 30 days. So this was not like I'm going cold turkey. I thought it was a good time to try it because I still had plenty in my system, and I just didn't want my body to get used to the same thing, week in, week out, and I didn't really want to titrate up. So 5, I got a little bit of food chatter back, which I didn't really like that much, but again, extra water, extra protein, and I did have a little bit of carbs. I chose some snacking wisely, like I use Quest chips, that have protein. Yes, I normally don't eat those too much, but I was trying this to go down and then to go back up. Then I went back up to 7.5 for a week, and just a little bit of difference, but not much. Then I went back up to the 7.5. I'm sorry, I went back up to the 10. You'll have to excuse me, it worked a lot and I'm a little tired. So I went back up to the 10. First week I lost a half a pound, which was okay, but no more food noise, appetite suppression, good. My second week on 10, boom, I lost 2 pounds. I was very happy with that. Uh, that's great. I guess my body was getting used to it. Next week I'm going to do 10 again, and then I'm going to go from there. Maybe I'll try, going back down to 7.5, because like I said, I'm towards the end of my journey, and hopefully I can make 7.5 work. And if I could get that to work for a while, maybe I'll go down again. Now that's one of the good things about compound is you can alter your dose easily, because you pick it. My dose happens to be 45 units for the 10 milligrams, and you could do the math, or you could ask Google, what it would be, for 7.5 or 5. There's charts out there. There's plenty of ways to help. But the good thing too is then you get a little extra compound, so it's like you may squeeze an extra dose out of the bottle or between 2 bottles. You can't beat that. And it seemed to have worked for me. Now I want to talk to you a little bit about my future videos coming out. I haven't quite decided if I'm going to have a word flash across the screen, let's say for example banana, and that'll be the word, or if I'm just going to say the word is banana, and if you like and subscribe and put that word in the comment or an emoji, whichever you prefer, you'll be in a contest for an Amazon gift card, which I'm going to have somebody else pick at random amongst my subscribers, and like I said, people that have commented and like. So looking forward to that. Would love to give you an Amazon gift card. Again, please like, subscribe, notifications, that way you won't miss any of this important information. And we'll be getting some news out soon about what's happening with the compound, and I've got lots of good videos. I've got good videos planned for 2025. I spent a lot of time thinking out some subjects, and I'm going to put some work into these videos, and hopefully you'll like them. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification, and have a good day, and good luck with the contest.